I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360 we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done. When does my home need a battery versus just solar?
A lot of homes in California have been experiencing intermittent blackouts. One of the best things that going solar has to offer is it offers you the ability to add a battery backup that's actually going to be powered by your own electricity. So when you have solar, it's going to recharge your battery, and then you're going to be able to run even when the grid goes down. If you want to learn about whether a battery is going to be best in your house, then just reach out to our team at Axiom 360 and we can help point you in the right direction.